Welcome to this tutorial on building a clicker game in Java. In this video, we'll walk through the entire process, from setting up your Java environment to implementing game mechanics. Make sure you have your IDE open, and let's get started. First, let's create our main Java application. Open your IDE and create a new Java project called Clicker Game. Inside the src directory, create a new class named Clicker Game. This will be the entry point for our application. Next, we're going to create a simple graphical user interface, GUI, for our game using Swing. Let's import the necessary libraries at the top of our class. Next, we need to create the main JFrame and set its properties. We'll also add a JButton which acts as the clickable item in our game. Let's create a method to set up our game window. Now, let's call that method from our main method to display the game window. Great! Our basic GUI is now set up. If you run your program, you should see a window with a clickable button. The next step is to add functionality that counts the number of clicks a player makes. Let's add an integer variable to track clicks. Now, each time you click the button, the counter will increase. Let's also add a JLabel to display the number of clicks on the user interface. If you run your application now, you'll see the click count updating in real time. This is already a pretty functional clicker. Next, let's add some upgrades that the player can buy with the points they accumulate. We have successfully linked the clicks to points. To give players the option to buy upgrades, we'll create a new JButton, Buy Upgrade, and set its click action to increase the points per click. Let's implement that next. We need to display how many points the player has as well. Let's create another JLabel for that. Alright, now let's handle updating the points label every time we count a click. Now, our application tracks clicks, points, and allows the purchase of upgrades. The last thing we need to implement is a way to end the game or reset it. For this, we can create a Reset Game button. Great! Now if you run the program and click the buttons, you'll find you can buy upgrades and reset the game. This is a basic implementation of a clicker game. You can improve upon this with extra features like achievements or more complex upgrade paths. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to dive deeper, consider exploring other areas of Java programming or game development. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.